Hi guys, welcome to another week of High School Art 1. This is week technically 4, but 3 because we started with week 0. So here we go. This week is a little bit different. We don't have school on Monday, and so we only have 4 sketches this week instead of our typical 5. On Tuesday, we'll have photography. Wednesday is our Wordy Wednesday, so you'll just copy down that quote. I know it's a long one, so try to pick one of your bigger boxes onto your sketchbook. Thursday is going to be goldfish, and Friday is going to be Cheeto. And then the artist spotlight of the week is going to be on Sandy Scoggin. She's an American photographer, still alive, still creating art today, and she is awesome. I think you're going to like her a lot. Now, moving on, the rainbow wall, I may not update it in time for my videos, so even if you don't see your work here, feel free to check into the weekly sides anyway, because I may have updated that by now. This week we will sketch 4 new prompts, not 5 because of Monday. Even on half day those, so Thursday and Friday, I'll still have you be sketching, even though it's a half day. We will complete an artist spotlight on Friday, 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll continue to master art skills. This week we are going to learn a lot about colored pencils, and you're actually going to get another video from me, Mrs. Williams, walking you through how to do this monster worksheet that we're all going to do together. All right, so don't panic. We will have a separate video on that. Sandy Scoggin, our artist of the week. She is an American photographer. She's awesome. I like her a lot. And she will make weird photographs by staging people together. So everything you see in her photos is what was there at the time in real life. So nothing is photoshopped. What you see is what you get. So if that means this guy is covered in a million Cheetos, that's how she took the picture. She had a lot of Cheetos in the studio that day. All right. So this week, with the 2 half days and Labor Day, we are going to take it a little bit slower, and we're just going to be doing a worksheet. It's a 2-sided worksheet, front and back. If you do not have a printer, I want you to recreate the worksheet in your sketchbook. And so it's a lot more writing on your part, but I believe you can do it, and I will accept it if it is handwritten instead of printed out. And so don't worry, that won't impact your grade. This Friday, I am going to have yet another sketchbook check. It's been 2 weeks. I check them every other week. So you'll need to turn in last week's sketches, a photo for that, and this week's sketches. If you turned in a photo last week, I need you to turn it in again. The same photo, you already have it. You just need to attach it to week 3, turn in basket, not week 2. I'm going to be looking for Friday through Russia, and then photography through Cheeto. So there should be 9 sketches total that I'm looking for. All right. So in Google Classroom, there's going to be a worksheet that I want you to print out. If you don't have a printer, again, just go ahead and handwrite everything for me. Your hand may hurt, but I believe in you. You're high schoolers. You can do hard things. And so you'll have one side of the worksheet look like this and one side of the worksheet look like this. And again, I'm going to have a separate video where I explain how to go through that. So bear with me. That will be all for this week. So this week, you are turning in 2 weeks of sketches. You are turning in a Freaky Friday on Sandy Scoggin, an American artist. And you are turning in the front and back side of this worksheet on how to master colored pencils. If you do this week properly, you should know how to shade with colored pencils a lot nicer, and everything will just look a lot cleaner and smoother here going forward. Good luck, guys. I believe in you.